What's up, everybody? Christopher J. Rich here, and I am back with another slay. So today we are doing a traditional sewing with minimal leave out. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for watching. I got my girl Bradley in the chair, and right here you're just going to see me section off where her leave out is going to be. She came to me and she said she wanted minimal leave out because when she does the maintenance on it, she didn't want to deal with her natural hair as much. She wanted it to be as minimal as possible so that way it's easier for her. And y'all see how much hair she got in this video. So her hair grew since the last time I did it. So right here, I'm just sectioning out what I'm leaving out. And as you can see, that is minimal. It's going to cover the tracks at the top. And I'm only going to leave her edges out. So it's going to cover her tracks on the side as well. But the way you're going to see me sewing, I'm going to sew at an angle. So it's not really going to show the tracks. Okay, so I have her leave out all braided up and ready to go. All the hair that you see out is going to be braided into a beehive. I don't like doing my beehives, so I hire my cousin to do my beehives for me because she does an amazing job. And I like for my sewings to be really, really flat. And this is my cousin doing the braid down, and I believe that her braid downs are super flat to me, and I really, really like that. So I always hire her when I can to do all of my braid downs. Wig install, sewing, it does not matter. So yeah, right here you just see she's braiding her down before I get ready to install. So now that her braid down is done, I am going to add the net. I like adding a weave net because I feel like it helps the install last longer. It puts less tension on your hair that is braided, and you can squeeze as many bundles as you want. With this particular install, I did 4 bundles of 24-inch, and I was able to squeeze all of the hair in because of the net. Now it's time to sew these bundles in. So I have 4 24-inch bundles that I'm going to be using on this install. And as you can see on the first one, I am sewing in a U shape. For all of my bundles, I don't single weft them. I double weft all 3 bundles. The only one that I single weft is the last one that is going towards the top of the hair. All 4 bundles have been sewn into her hair, and now it's time to move on to the styling. So right here, you just see me taking down her leave out that I had braided up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press that hair out first before flat ironing everything. My girl wanted something sleek, something simple, something sexy, and I love me a good bust down middle part. But if you all want me to do like a detailed video on how I get my hair so sleek and shiny, just comment detailed down below, because I did film this video on a time lapse and I felt like it was too fast, so I kind of had to slow it down. But if you want a super detailed video, let me know down below in the comments and I will make sure I get that to you. Now that I have a clean middle part, I'm going to go in with my Silk Out Serum from the Ashley Marie collection and put that all throughout the hair before pressing it. Now she's all pressed out, I'm going to start flat ironing. When I take my sections, I like to spray my Kenra number 13 spray on each section before flat ironing it. And when I do my flat ironing, I only go and do 1 pass, sometimes 2, but I never go past 2. This is the ending result. My girl has been slayed. Look how silky that hair is. She's happy. I'm happy. If you stayed until the end, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, click that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye.